Hello everyone to the new video of Project Showcase. This will be most interesting video to watch for you all guys, because this is a fully functional e-commerce web applications built with React and Tailwind CSS. And it's full stack in the sense that we have used a backend as a Node.js and MongoDB as a database, and also Express to use as a connector, right? So you can see this is the e-commerce site, and whenever people come to the site, this is the landing page, and this is also beginner friendly, intermediate friendly, and you will be enjoying while doing this video. And most interesting thing is the link will be the source code will be linked in the description below, and I guarantee you that if you can do this project by understanding the source code, I guarantee you will land a job with a high figure salary. Alright, so let's begin it out and let me demonstrate you. So you can see here the typewriter effect on here, and new variables product, that is the products which are recently added are displayed here from the database. And also I have paginations, nice pagination, and this is done with help of design. Alright, so design has been used as some design components, and if I click next, I get the next items as from the paginations that is requested to database, and we get the data, right? So I also have a best seller section where the items which are sold more will be shown here with the top sales as per the sales ratio, and also category list. Let's say if I want to have a tail the elements or products with tails laptops, if I click here, I get only Dell product. So right now I have two of them. Alright, so this was a home page, and similarly subcategory page, I have Dell laptop and I want a specific Surface Pro. If I click here, I get two. So this was a main landing page, and let's begin shopping. Why do you wait anything? Okay, let's begin shopping. I have a search item. I can search from this by typing if I want a laptop that I have MacBook. If I click here, the MacBook laptop will be shown here. Not only this, but also I have advanced search features, like I want a laptop with the search range. Let's say if I increase, let's say the laptop below $1,555 will be shown here. Similarly, if I increase the range, the high-end laptops will be displayed or extracted out from database like MacBook, right? So not only this, I have a categories filter, like if I click here, I only get Apples and Lenovo. If I want both Lenovo and MSI, I can get here. Like these subcategories filters, M1 chip laptops, and brands, I want only Asus, or I want only Dell, or I want only Microsoft, you can do here. And also color, I want only white color laptop, I want a blue color, we don't have blue color laptop, haha. Silver color. Yeah. Not only this, I can also filter it by shipping. All these laptops or products can be shipped, and laptop which can be shipped are shown here. And this a little cheaper because it can be shipped, you have to go to the store to buy it. And so let's begin shopping. If I want to buy some product, let's say I want to buy okay, ThinkPad G6. I want to buy this laptop, and it's not been rated yet. So this has been rated yet. We can also make a rating, right? And every users and we have, okay, I'll show some more things. Please don't get distracted, be in touch. I want to add to cart this ThinkPad 1, and also I wanted to buy two laptops, right? I want one Surface Pro. Oh, it's out of stock. I want to buy MacBook Air M1, alright? Add to cart. Okay, let's say I want to buy two laptops. I want to go to cart, okay? I want to go to cart, and I want ThinkPad to be in silver color and MacBook Air to be in this by default silver color. I want one piece. If I increment the count, the total is automatically increased here. See, ThinkPad same in quantity, this amount and this amount. This is a nice thing. Whenever I change this count, I get change product price. Alright, that has to be. And I want to log in to check out. Let's log in to check out, guys. So I click login, I get into login page. So I want to log in to buy product. Let me write my email. Basically, if you don't have email, you can use as a new register as a new registration. Okay, what happens when I click the forward password? Let's check it out. So if you want to register a new account, you can just click register. If you don't have any account, you can enter email and you will get the link and you can register here. This is functional. If you forget a password, you can just click forget password, enter your email, and the Google will send you a link where you can reset the password, and this is also functional. This is very cool, guys. You can have a check on it. This is such a premium thing. And let me log in first to buy product. Okay. Alright, let me log in. Okay, I logged in and I can see the same home page with the products and categories and subcategory list. Right now, I want to go to cart. Okay, I get this, I get my amount. I have two options. One, I can pay with cash and delivery, and I can pay with card. Right now, I want to pay with card, so let me pay. Alright, so I have to enter my delivery address. So right now I'm in New York, so let's start. Yeah, let me save address, and also I have coupon. If I have coupon, I can deduct some price, some offers like that. Okay, I have some coupon. If I apply it, I have a discounted price that much lesser. There's some certain discount that's set by admin of the stock controller, so I can place order. I can also empty order back then. I just place order. So for test, I can use my test card number. This is just random. Oh, this is invalid. Thank you. This is a test card number that I can have a try. Alright, so if I hit pay, payment has been successful. This is payment with Stripe. Okay, the Stripe payment has been integrated on this fully functional application. So I can check out my purchase history. See here, I have previously have also purchased some of the items, but right now I can see MacBook Pro M1 bill and ThinkPad G6. This both of them we have just purchased it. This should be in the same place. I don't know why this occurred, but we'll fix that. I have one product here. I can also download PDF and I can see the invoice, like one M1 Pro at this amount, right? So beside this, now I have seen the status as processing. Alright, so let me see. Okay, now I want to show you the admin side, what happens to the admin side. So this account is also my admin account. Okay, this is my admin section. Okay, from this section I can do different things, like I can change my password, I can update my new password, I can see my history, password, wish list. What's this? I can see here. Okay, from this section I can see, you can see here I can change my password. I have option to use coupon. I can create a new coupon. Like, let's say I want to create a new coupon, like thanks 2024. If anyone want to click this coupon from next time onwards, they can get 20% discount. Okay, I can just 20, and I can also use expiry date. Let's say it is made. I can give them up to one time trouble. If they can use, they can use. If I hit save, this new coupon has been created, right? So likewise, I want to create one product and show you. This function, this e-commerce applications use Cloudinary to store images. Let me add one images like yoga. This is like say Lenovo, title Lenovo. Okay, this is Lenovo 2024. Okay, let's say it's office variant, and price, this is cheap laptop, $1,200. Shipping, yes. Quantity, I just have to create number of quantity in stock. Let's say I have in stock 40 quantities. This is color like silver. Brands, Lenovo. Category be Lenovo. subcategory be yoga. Alright. Okay, subcategory yoga. If I save this, new product has been created. This Lenovo 2024. Okay, and if you don't believe it, I can show you that. Let me show you here. So we should have new product, that's Lenovo 2024. Alright, so it should be in here, Lenovo 2024. See, this is how we create a product. I can also give a rating. If I give a rating 5-star, alright, this got a 5-star rating. Haha, how cool is that? I just want to show you one special thing. This recording has disturbed me. Alright, I should have seen products here. Just for a while. Something is busy. So the admin can see the list of orders in a way like this. So for example, just before we have just order MacBook Pro and a MacBook Air, 2 sets of laptops. So the admin have a dashboard that gets a list of orders and the client makes, and the users makes the orders made by users will be shown in form of card here, and admin has authority to make the changes. Like by default, the orders should not be processed, and they can change state like processing. I can change this processing or cancelled, or I can change to completed. If I change to completed, the user will be notified. They will see their status as completed. And this was all about the Fullstack E-commerce web application. Alright, right now I have a lot of products, so because of this the browsers was not responding as well as expected, because a lot of the test product that I had created before this created a lot of mess. So the idea is this, in a way it's still working. I have to wipe out this database for some reason because I had to use a lot of dummy data. So you get an idea. So the status I changed to completed. So let's try to check the status of the user. Let's say user history. Okay, user history, this were processing. I just has made completed. I don't know which one is that. I don't know. Processing, still showing processing. Oh, holy moly! I don't know. Apple M1, right? It's still showing processing. Let's check it out. Well, this was all about today's session of Project Showcase. So if you have any problem, if you have some query regarding doing this project, you can just write in comment section below, or you can just approach me from the link description below. I'll be 24 hours available to you and helping you making this product. So for today, the video has been so long. Thank you for staying till the last of this section. This was all about Project Showcase of the Fullstack E-commerce web application built with React, Redux, Tailwind, MongoDB, Express, and Node.js. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching till late. Do subscribe to the channel. Haha.